Ug karon ato na mahinabi si Kapuso Actor ug host Benjamin Alves.
Kumusta ka ha? Ang kasinatian karong quarantine ni Kapuso Actor, host, and entrepreneur Benjamin Alves. Ato siyang kumustahon. Mayong buntag, Ben, and welcome dito sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Hello, maayong buntag, GMA Regional TV Live. Kumusta po?
Kumusta ka na? How are you doing? And of course, yung family mo dun sa Guam, kumusta sila?
Yes po. I'm doing great here sa Manila. My family in Guam is doing great. Yung nga po, actually, there's more time to stay connected with them kasi nga, we're most of the time sa bahay. So, parang mas naging closer kami, mas up-to-date kami sa mga bagay-bagay.
Ben, you've been very productive while staying at home, ano? Kasi one of the outcome is your online show under GMA Artist Center, itong How Do You Feel? Usapang Artista.
Yes.
How did producing and hosting this online show help you and your fellow artists cope up with the pandemic?
Ano po, parang naging way po siya para makilala po yung mga ibang artista po natin sa GMA Artist Center na most of the time we don't get a chance to really bond. But eventually we'll start doing it again and sana po we can do it in person. Yun po yung habol po talaga namin. Kasi mag-gather po namin yung mga kapuso natin in one room para pag-usapan yung craft nga po ng acting.
Ben, last year you were part of GMA Regional TV's Masterclass series here in Cebu, as well as the other regions, where you spoke to several students on the importance of education and of excellence din. Ngayong online schooling na ang lahat, anong maibibigay mong advice sa mga students natin right now who are adjusting and still navigating through the online classes?
Staying focused and disciplined would be my advice, and to stay hungry to learn. It's a new normal, it's a new way of learning. Actually, if I could advise anybody, it's the parents or the people that are looking after, especially mga bata, mga younger students po natin na kailangan po ng tulong. It's such a nice opportunity for them to bond with their kids.
Dito na naman tayo sa something light na nagawa mo this quarantine kasi you turn into a K-drama fan. So far, what have you learned from their acting and their production style as well?
Ang dami po naming nakuwang material or parang acting nuances sa mga K-drama po namin na napapanood. So, yun po yung para siya naging parang case study yung K-drama para magamit po sa future shows po namin. I really like Reply 1988. Yung parang that's my favorite K-drama as of now.
Pero ngayon, Ben, balik taping ka na. How did you prepare yourself para sa first acting job mo for GMA's latest series, ang I Can See You, since the lockdown?
Ang ang galing po ng production po natin sa GMA na parang because it's a new normal, parang mas naging madali po yung trabaho namin bilang artista because pati wardrobe, script reading, ginawa po namin in advance. Yung nga po yung the magic of being able to do Zoom meetings. So, pagdating po sa set, trabaho na po. Wala na pong mas pulido po kumbaga yung proseso.
Tell us more about your role as Jude Agoncillo sa I Can See You, The Promise episode. Anong mga aral ang matutunan natin from your character as Jude?
Si Jude po, very driven. Pero baka yung pagka-drive niya, baka may marami siyang mabangga. At baka maraming masaktan. So yun po yung lesson na kailangan po niyang matutunan through the whole series.
Let's invite everyone to watch your episode, mga online shows mo, and of course to follow your social media accounts.
Sana po mapanood niyo yung episode po namin, The Promise, starring Paolo Contis, Yasmin Curdy, Andrea Torres, May Bautista, and ako na rin po.
And Ben, before we end our interview, anong mensahe mo para sa lahat ng mga kapuso natin dito sa Cebu at sa buong Central and Eastern Visayas?
My message is to please always stay safe. Mag-ingat po tayo at I can't wait to see you guys. Ngayon po, ganito po yung paraan para magka-connect po tayo pero hopefully very, very soon makita po namin kayo in person, mahawakan, makantahan, makisayahan po.
See you soon, Ben. Daghang salamat for joining us this morning.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Ug sama sa giingon ni Ben Alves, always strive for excellence. Mga kapuso, dili babag ang kining pandemya nga makabut nato ang ato ang mga plano. More to come pa mga kapuso, so tutok lang dinhi sa GMA Regional TV Live.